Hi everybody, Jennifer Katie here, and today I'm going to be making a vegan ice cream sundae, and I'm even going to be trying some products out that I haven't tasted yet, which is vegan Ben & Jerry's ice cream and some chocolate orange. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to start my ice cream sundae with chocolate sauce. I always start with sauce and I always put it round the jar. Oh, so here we go. Put it in. And I'm going to put a little bit down the bottom as well. Just a little bit. That was actually probably a lot. And this is vegan as well. This is the Askey's Treat chocolate flavour topping. It's really, really nice, vegan. Next, I'm going to put a couple of spoons of the Ben & Jerry's ice cream. This one here is coconutly caramelled flavour. There we go. I got my spoon. This is my spoon in hot water. Put a couple of scoops of this in there. It's got like massive chunks of chocolate in there. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to put a couple of spoons of that in there first. Next, I'm going to put in a couple of slices of banana. So I'm just going to slice that straight on top of there. Whoop. Go straight onto my table. I'll put half banana in there, that's what I've done. Then I'm going to put some more ice cream, Ben & Jerry's. How nice does that look? I can't wait to eat this. I want to try some out. I might try some out now, tell you what it tastes like. Before I put all the toppings on. It's actually so good. You can actually taste, it's got quite a strong taste of coconut, but the caramel is really, really good. This here is Free From Kitchen salted caramel. I actually started munching on this last night. It was really good. So I'm going to put a couple of squares of that in to top that off. This, I never had this one before. This is the freest range. I've tasted their mint chocolate, which is lush. I haven't tasted this orange one before, so I'm looking forward to this. Take a little bit first. Oh, that tastes like Terry's chocolate orange, but vegan. That tastes so good. Let's put that in there. Instead of flakes, just put bits of chocolate in there. I might add some more banana in. There's no point wasting banana. Let's put some more in. And last but not least, I'm going to put a couple of these Biscoff Lotus biscuits. These are my absolute favourite. We literally go through packets of these every single week. So I'm going to, oh, I want to put it that way now. Oh. There you have it. Vegan ice cream sundae. Here we go. How good does that look? Do you know what? I was so happy when Ben & Jerry's started releasing vegan flavours. This is the only one I haven't tasted yet. The ice cream with the banana is so good. You should so try this, guys. Let me know what you put in your vegan sundaes in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I shall see you guys next time. Enjoy your sundaes. Bye.